During the pandemic, Peloton emerged as the undisputed king of the fitness realm, with stock prices reaching an impressive $171 per share, and its market cap hovering around $50 billion. In fact, hours after Peloton shares went public, employees dined on seafood and sipped champagne as they discussed what they'd spend their newfound paper fortunes on. But fast forward to 2022 and the empire crumbled. There were mass layoffs, sales dipped, and the stocks plummeted to a fraction of its IPO glory at a low of $6.62 per share. Moreover, Peloton was rocked with a scandal after a 6-year-old died, and many others were injured in incidents involving the Tread Plus, leading to a costly recall. A potential sale to Amazon, Apple, or perhaps Nike loomed, and whispers of Peloton's demise were common within the fitness world. However, under the new CEO, Barry McCarthy, the company's free cash flow levels have recovered from a worrisome negative $747 million to only $94 million. Peloton has also reduced its net losses to $335.4 million, marking its most favorable financial performance since McCarthy assumed the role. So, what's behind Peloton's revival? Why is it the future of fitness? Peloton has introduced a groundbreaking approach to fitness with its Lanebreaker Tread workouts, expanding on the concept of gamified fitness. In this innovative workout experience, users engage in a gamified challenge where they must align and sustain their incline or speed according to animated cues on the tablet. The goal is to achieve the highest score, all while being accompanied by a pulsating soundtrack. The workout involves scoring points by following visual cues called moments. Users can navigate into and stay in specific lanes with moments by adjusting the tread's incline. Additionally, adjusting speed allows users to fulfill the requirements of each moment and accumulate points. For individuals with a competitive streak, Lane Break Tread adds an exciting element to their exercise routine. The immersive nature of the experience makes it possible for users to forget they're even working out. Lane Break Tread represents a fusion of technology, music, and fitness, offering a distinctive workout experience. Synchronizing cues and movements with music adds an enjoyable dimension to the workout. This approach is ideal for those looking to diversify their training routine or inject new energy into their workouts. Long story short, the introduction of gamified elements not only makes exercise more effective, but also transforms it into an enjoyable and immersive activity. This unique approach reflects Peloton's dedication to innovation and its vision for the evolving fitness landscape. In February 2022, McCarthy, who has previously served as chief financial officer for both Spotify and Netflix, assumed the CEO role, sparking concerns about the company prioritizing profits over innovation. But despite these worries, many welcomed McCarthy's mature leadership style to address significant challenges within the company. Under McCarthy's guidance, Peloton underwent strategic changes. Initiatives like discontinuing Peloton Output Park, outsourcing logistics, attempting to sell Precor, and substantial workforce reductions were implemented to address pressing issues. McCarthy quickly earned a hands-on reputation with a distinctive phrase, "Barry says," reflecting his direct involvement in decision-making processes. Despite the substantial changes and the associated challenges, McCarthy's leadership instilled confidence in some employees. Many see him as a stabilizing force, steering the company through a complex and transformative period. Specifically, Peloton's Chief Content Officer, Jennifer Cotter, praised McCarthy's ability to identify and address critical areas during this challenging time swiftly. She noted that McCarthy's decisive leadership style was precisely what the company needed. Under McCarthy's direction, Peloton stock experienced a notable 26% surge on February 1st, signifying positive momentum and progress in McCarthy's turnaround plan. Subscription revenue outpacing hardware sales marked a potential turning point for the company. McCarthy's leadership approach has shifted the company's focus towards optimizing existing hardware, emphasizing content, and improving the app. This strategic move aims to enhance the overall user experience, aligning with the vision of Peloton as the future of fitness. While some employees have noted an identity crisis due to these changes, McCarthy remains committed to what has always set Peloton apart, its virtual fitness classes. Peloton believes that smart technology like artificial intelligence is crucial for the future of exercising at home. They use AI to improve their products and give users a great experience. The Peloton Guide is an example of this. It's their first connected strength device that uses AI to help people with their workouts. AI is like a smart helper in Peloton's world. It helps with many things, like making exercise fun, keeping users accountable, and giving real-time feedback. Imagine it as a helpful friend while you exercise. Sanjay Nichani, who works with AI at Peloton, says they've been using AI for a few years. First, they used it to suggest classes to users. But now, with Peloton Guide, AI takes a central role. It helps with features like the movement tracker, which watches and encourages users during workouts. AI also uses something called machine vision to make Peloton's products better. For example, the Peloton Guide can turn your TV into a big interactive training screen. It watches what you do during a workout, like lifting weights or doing squats, and gives you credit for following along with the instructor. Peloton learns from users and improves its products based on what they like. For example, they found that users like seeing a box around them on the screen during tests. It makes them feel connected to the Peloton Guide, like it sees them and is there to help. Looking ahead, Peloton thinks AI can do even more for fitness. They want to make workouts more personalized and give feedback in real time. It's like having a personal coach with you at home. Peloton is excited about the possibilities and plans to keep trying new things to make exercising at home even more enjoyable, with the help of AI. One big reason why Peloton is seen as the future of fitness is because of how it runs its business. Peloton Interactive Incorporated has a smart plan that ensures it's not just selling exercise gear, but creating a whole fitness experience. Peloton operates with two main components: connected fitness products and subscription. The first part involves selling exercise products like its popular bike, tread, and related items. People not only buy the equipment, but also pay extra for things like delivery, installation help, and extended warranty coverage. This part focuses on getting the physical exercise gear into people's homes. The second part is the subscription plan. Peloton makes money by offering subscriptions for connected fitness and digital services. The connected fitness subscription gives users special access to live and recorded classes, making the workout experience more interactive. The digital subscription is for those who want Peloton content but don't have the dedicated exercise gear, allowing Peloton to reach a broader audience. Peloton's genius move is putting these two parts together. When people buy the exercise products, they aren't just getting a bike or tread, they're entering into a long-term connection with Peloton through the subscription services. This connection is like being part of an online fitness group, with access to many classes, challenges, and support. Adding to its success story, Peloton's revenue from subscriptions, $415 million, far outpaced sales of its hardware, $180.6 million, an ongoing trend at the company. This financial insight underscores Peloton's ability to create a lasting relationship with its users through subscriptions, solidifying its position as a smart builder of the future of fitness beyond traditional norms. A standout reason Peloton is considered the future of fitness is its incredible cult following. With a remarkable user base of 3 million subscribers, 4 times the number in 2019, Peloton has become a way of life for many. The monthly customer churn rate, indicating lost customers, is less than 1%, showcasing users' deep devotion to the platform. Peloton's videos are not just popular. They now generate a significant 33% of the company's total revenue, up from 20% in 2020. The company's success extends to its stores, with 75 in the US and 2 studios for video production. The cult following is not just about exercise equipment. It's a lifestyle for Peloton users. The allure lies in the convenience of taking studio-quality cycling classes at home, coupled with motivational instructors and a supportive, yet competitive, online community. People are so enamored with Peloton that they are willing to invest thousands of dollars in an exercise bike, excluding additional fees for delivery and a monthly subscription for live and on-demand classes. The Peloton community extends beyond mere workouts, with over 440,000 followers on its official Facebook page, where users connect, share updates, and even showcase tattoos of the company's logo. Celebrity endorsements from figures like Hugh Jackman and Usain Bolt further amplify Peloton's appeal. Investors have recognized Peloton's potential, pouring a staggering $994 million into the company. Valued at $4.15 billion after a funding round in August 2018, Peloton is now a financial force to be reckoned with, regardless of the rough patch after COVID. In fact, Peloton's unique approach to fitness has earned it the nickname Apple of Fitness by controlling every aspect of the workout experience, from designing and building exercise gear to training instructors and creating exclusive content. Peloton ensures a holistic member experience. This approach draws inspiration from successful companies like Apple, Netflix, and Amazon, focusing on enhancing the user experience. A pivotal element of Peloton's success is its instructors, who have achieved a cult status among followers. With their motivational styles and the creation of socially engaging workout platforms, the instructors play a vital role in fostering a sense of intimacy within the digital fitness space. This personal connection is a decisive factor, setting Peloton apart from the alternative at-home fitness options. Are you enjoying the video? Like and subscribe to never miss out on our future videos. Peloton knows that having lots of different kinds of classes is key to keeping things interesting. It all began with indoor cycling, but now Peloton has grown, offering content in 9 different areas. Even when it comes to indoor cycling, there are tons of choices. Members can pick classes based on how much time they have, the music they like, their favorite instructor, and the type of classes they're in the mood for. It's like having various options to make sure every workout feels just suitable for each member. Peloton has found success in its rental service, also known as Fitness as a Service, according to CEO Barry McCarthy. He sees it as a significant opportunity for growth. Currently, Peloton has 54,000 rental subscribers in the US and Canada, and they plan to increase that number to 75,000 by the end of the year. Surprisingly, more than 1/3 of bike sales last quarter came from rentals. However, McCarthy mentioned that they have intentionally restrained the program's growth because it takes about 18 to 20 months for the company to start making money from rentals. Despite its success, Peloton wants to understand the program's economics better and determine the working capital needed to expand it further over the next year. McCarthy explained, "Before we let it loose in the wild, we better know what we're doing, if that makes sense." He emphasized that if he allowed it, the rental service would already be a much bigger business than it currently is. Peloton is taking a cautious approach to ensure that the sustained success of the Fitness as a Service model. Peloton is getting ready to bring back the Tread Plus, a product that has some safety issues and was stopped in 2021. Now priced at $5,995, CEO Barry McCarthy knows sales might not be super high due to economic factors. However, he believes restarting it could still be a big win for sales. McCarthy is confident about the Tread Plus because users really love it despite past problems. He mentioned, "Of all the products I've ever seen with Peloton, the one that users are deeply connected to is the Tread Plus. Members are so into it that McCarthy is sure it'll be a hit when it comes back, saying you couldn't take it away from users even if you tried." Peloton has redefined the landscape of fitness equipment with a strong emphasis on innovation. The Peloton Bike and Peloton Tread exemplify cutting-edge design, featuring large interactive touchscreens that bring a virtual studio experience into users' homes. These touchscreens display real-time metrics and enable live and on-demand classes, creating an immersive and engaging workout environment. Incorporating advanced metrics tracking provides users with valuable insights into their performance, enhancing the overall fitness experience. Moreover, Peloton's commitment to innovation extends beyond hardware to software integration. The seamless connectivity between devices ensures users can effortlessly sync their fitness data and track their progress. This combination of innovative hardware and software sets Peloton apart, offering users a holistic and dynamic approach to their fitness journey. Peloton's digital platform breaks down geographical barriers, providing a truly global fitness experience. Users can access Peloton's extensive library of classes and workouts from anywhere globally, transcending limitations imposed by physical locations. This global accessibility is a game changer, making Peloton's offerings available to a diverse and international audience. The ability to join live or on-demand classes means users can participate in workouts conveniently, irrespective of time zones or locations. This flexibility is particularly beneficial for users with varied schedules or those residing in areas with limited access to fitness facilities. By embracing a digital-first approach, Peloton has created a fitness community that knows no bounds, fostering a sense of inclusivity and diversity. In September 2023, Peloton made exciting friends by teaming up with Lululemon for 5 whole years. This is a big deal because Peloton decided to share its special fitness provisions with Lululemon, which has a bunch of exercise-loving members, 13 million to be exact. Peloton hopes these members will get curious and sign up for its subscriptions. Lululemon subscribers get access to Peloton's awesome content on a Wednesday. The finance chief at Peloton, Liz Coddington, thinks this partnership will bring in an extra 10 million in sales for every quarter. But wait, there's more. Peloton also joined forces with the NBA and WNBA. They're now officially the fitness partners of these cool sports leagues. Peloton fans can even watch NBA games through their devices. Plus, Peloton has plans to create exercise classes inspired by the NBA and WNBA. And that's not all. The company has teamed up with the Liverpool Football Club, the University of Michigan, and the New York Roadrunners. Barry McCarthy is feeling pretty popular. He says everyone wants to work out with Peloton, and brands are particularly begging to partner up. Now, let's talk about Peloton's exercise machines. They've started selling their Row machine in Canada and their Bike and Bike Plus in Austria. This is a big move, as it's Peloton's fifth market outside the US. They're hoping to sell more of their awesome fitness gadgets, especially since their sales haven't been doing as well lately. All these cool partnerships and new markets are part of McCarthy's plan to make Peloton grow again and get more people to join. Last quarter, Peloton had some issues, like more people leaving than expected, possibly because of a recall on the bike seat post. But Peloton is determined to bounce back, even if the recall cost them $40 million more than they thought it would. The Peloton bike is becoming a big deal in the fitness world, changing doubters' minds and gaining fans for many good reasons. It's getting super popular because of some really cool features that make it the future of fitness. For one, people realize that buying a Peloton bike isn't just spending money. It's like making a smart investment in the long run. Even though it costs a bit at the beginning, it's actually cheaper than going to studio cycling classes for years. So it can save a lot of money over time. Another thing that makes Peloton so popular is how easy and flexible it is. You can work out whenever you want, fitting it into your own schedule. It's not like regular classes that have set times. This is great for people with busy lives, making fitness more doable. Peloton isn't just about the workout. It's all about having fun with instructors and a bit of competition with others. These instructors often give shout-outs during classes to celebrate milestones, birthdays, or first-time riders. It creates a personal and intimate experience, something unique to the brand. Peloton has more than 30 instructors who undergo a thorough training process. Unlike other fitness brands, they aren't just teaching in a room. They need to know how to guide and motivate hundreds or even thousands of their members to work out at home. It adds a special touch to the Peloton experience, and this mix makes working out more interesting and keeps people excited about staying fit. And guess what? Peloton is fantastic for families. It offers different workouts for different levels, so everyone in the family can join in. It's not just exercising. It becomes something everyone can do together. It's not just about biking either. Peloton has paid attention to feedback and discovered that its members desire a complete workout experience. In response, they've expanded their content offerings over time. Now Peloton provides about 9 fitness disciplines, including indoor cycling, running, walking, strength, stretching, boot camp, cardio, yoga, and meditation. In 2020, they took another step forward by introducing dance, cardio, and family content, broadening members' fitness routine options. So with all that, you can think of Peloton as an all-in-one fitness package. Want a real studio experience at home? Peloton offers great instructors, cool music choices, and different class links. For many people, Peloton brings back the joy of doing cardio workouts. It's easy, feels like a real class, and the motivating trainers keeps you going. And when life gets tough, Peloton becomes a lifeline. You can choose how long you want to work out, play your favorite music, and feel supported by a virtual community. It turns challenges into positive and empowering fitness moments. So, what do you think about Peloton's future? Leave a comment below. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe and watch our other videos.